Good morning, students. Last class we have seen how to use Paint software. Okay, in that we have seen that how to draw the things, then after copy and pasting, moving it, selecting it, then after flipping, rotating, saving a file. Okay, so today we will start our exercises. Okay, and if you have any problem related to this Paint software, then you can again watch that video that I have posted last class. Okay, so let us start our exercises. First you open page number 45. Okay, blank is a program that is used to draw pictures. So we have the Paint software for drawing the pictures. So just tick mark on your book Paint option and also write down this Paint word in the blank. Okay, blank tool is used to select a part or whole drawing. So which option is used to select any part or whole drawing? We have the select option. Okay, so just tick mark on the select option. Blank feature will create a mirror image of the picture. So we have the flip option. Flip option is used to create a mirror image. Blank tool is used to get bigger and closer view of image. So we have the zoom option, zoom tool, that is used to get the bigger and closer view of the image. Blank appears along the top and the left of canvas for adjusting the image size. So this is the ruler option that is used to adjust the image size. Okay, practically we have done in the last video. Please refer that video if any confusion is there. Okay, so after that just see the answer. All answers are correct. Okay, let us do the true and false. So the first statement is skew command is used to stretch an image. So it is true option. The correct statement is there. बिकॉज स्क्यू कमांड इज यूज्ड टू स्ट्रेच एन इमेज. अगर इमेज को आपको थोड़ा सी स्ट्रेच करना है, मतलब एक एंड से पकड़ के और दूसरे में जब हम कोई चीज को खींचते हैं तो वो जो स्ट्रेचिंग होती है, एंड दैट इज पॉसिबल यूजिंग द स्क्यू कमांड इन पेंट. रोटेट विल क्रिएट अ मिरर इमेज ऑफ द पिक्चर. नो, दिस इज द रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट बिकॉज वी हैव द फ्लिप ऑप्शन टू क्रिएट अ मिरर इमेज. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स. Ruler helps in adjusting an image to a specific size. Yes, it is the correct statement. So just write the true in your book. Flip helps in placing text or graphics in the exact locations. No, we have the grid line options. Okay, we have the grid line option that is used to place the text graphics in exact location, not the flip option. So this statement is again false. You cannot move the selected image. Now you tell me, already we have practiced that how to move a image. First we have to select, then after just click and drag it. So we can easily move. So this is the wrong statement. Just press the false. Okay. Now click on the submit button. You also write down in your book with me. Okay. Let us see the next. Page number 46. Now the fill in the blanks. Which two tabs are there in the paintbrush? So you know it. One is home and the second is view. These two tabs are there in the paint. Default active or the foreground color of paint is black. And the default background color of paint is called as white. जब भी आप स्क्रीन ओपन करते हो या सॉफ्टवेयर ओपन करते हो पेंट का, तो आपको बैकग्राउंड हमेशा व्हाइट कलर मिलेगा और जो उसके ऊपर आप ड्राइंग करते हो वो हमेशा ब्लैक कलर में होगी. सो दिस इज द ओनली क्वेश्चन. ब्लैंक फीचर लेट्स यू सी द पार्ट ऑफ इमेज यू हैव सेलेक्टेड. सो विच फीचर इज दिस वन? क्रॉप फीचर. क्रॉप फीचर से क्या होता है, मान लो आपकी बहुत बड़ी ड्राइंग है और आप उसमें से कुछ पोर्शन रखना चाहते हो, बाकी डिलीट करना चाहते हो, तो आप वो चीज क्रॉप ऑप्शन से आराम से कर सकते हो. प्रैक्टिकली हमने ये देखा है कैसे करना है. ब्लैंक फीचर इज यूज्ड टू चेंज द पोजीशन ऑफ पिक्चर टू द डिफरेंट एंगल. सो दिस इज द रोटेट ऑप्शन. Using the rotate option, आप अपनी पिक्चर की पोजीशन को एंगल के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज कर सकते हो. ओके, सो जस्ट सी सबमिट बटन. ऑल आंसर्स आर करेक्ट. यू ऑल्सो राइट डाउन in your book. So after this exercises, we have to write the question answers, and you have to write the question answers with pencil. Okay, and clearly. You have to write clearly in a good handwriting in your book. Okay, so just let's see question answers. I am just closing this one. Okay, so here is our question answer. The first is, what is the difference between flip option and the rotate option? Okay, so what is flip option? Let me zoom this screen so you can easily see the contents. Okay, now it is properly visible. Okay, so what is the use of this flip option? So flip option will create a mirror image of the picture, either horizontally or vertically. हॉरिजॉन्टल मतलब होता है इस तरह से, इधर जैसे मेरा माउस जा रहा है, ये हॉरिजॉन्टल है. एंड द वर्टिकल मीन्स द टॉप टू बॉटम. सो यू कैन क्रिएट योर मिरर इमेज आइदर टॉप टू बॉटम और लेफ्ट टू राइट, बोथ वे. रोटेट ऑप्शन, द नेक्स्ट वन इज रोटेट ऑप्शन. सो इट विल चेंज द पोजिशन ऑफ द पिक्चर टू डिफरेंट एंगल्स. सो दिस आंसर यू हैव टू राइट डाउन in your book. Okay, the next one is, the question is, what is the use of paint software? So you can also tell me that paint is a drawing program that we use for drawing and coloring the objects, and what type of things you can make, like cartoon shapes and any figures. Okay, so paint is a drawing program. Paint is a drawing program that is used to draw and color objects like cartoon shapes and figures. Okay, the next question is, what is the use of zoom tool? So the zoom tool is used to get the bigger and closer view of the image. है ना, अगर आपको इमेज को थोड़ा बड़ा करके देखना है कि वो कैसे लग रही है, या कोई भी इमेज को आपको छोटा करके देखना है, तो ये आप कैसे कर सकते हो, जूम टूल से. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ कलर पिकर टूल? So color picker tool enables us to paint using a color already presented in our image. मान लो आपके पास कोई इमेज आपने ओपन करके रखी है और उसमें से कोई कलर आपको लेना है और अपनी कोई दूसरी ड्राइंग में डालना है, तो आप यूज कर सकते हो कलर पिकर टूल. प्रैक्टिकली मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूं, वी हैव डन इट ओके इन द लास्ट वीडियो, सो जस्ट रेफर दैट वीडियो. राइट द नेम ऑफ डिफरेंट फाइल फॉर्मेट्स फॉर सेविंग अ ड्राइंग. So there are different formats. JPG format, that is called as Joint Photographic Expert Group. PNG is there. Portable Network Graphics, BMP is there. Bitmap image, okay, bitmap picture image. Then TIFF, that is the tagged image file format. So full form you don't have to worry, just the basic knowledge I have given you. You have to write the only file formats. So these are the different file formats for saving a drawing. Okay, so the next question is, Rakesh is drawing, this is the application based question. Rakesh is drawing a traffic scene in MS Paint. He has to draw many cars in it. So which options should he use so that he doesn't have to draw the cars again and again? So for that reason we have the copy and paste option. Using the copy and paste option, he can just simply copy and paste the cars. He don't need to draw again and again. So copy and paste option is there. Okay, so this is all about the chapter number 4, that is fun with MS Paint. You complete your book. Okay, I hope you can easily do it, right? Thank you.